Hello there, this is Toe of Games and welcome to 4 Runes Legend of the Void. This is a game created by EliteZeon on the RPG Maker forums, and according to the creator himself, this game is in its in a very early production stage, so there isn't really that much to it yet, but I'm gonna be going through it and see what it's gonna be like. I can say from the outset that the title screen looks really good, despite being like, although this game is in early development, I wouldn't believe that on the basis of the title screen. So very nice art here and totally prepares you, like sort of creates an atmosphere already for the story. But let's see what this game has to offer for us. Eons ago there existed a darkness that seeped through the void, everything within its reach, holding a chilling and chaotic air. It had engulfed the world in the entirety of its grasp and shrouded all living creatures in the pits of sorrow and despair. The text is automatic here, so just a few centuries ago the Great Ones descended and gazed with pity towards the ball of darkness that was the world. With a snap of their fingers, the darkness of the void dissipated and then condensed. In their hands it was held and then hurled. Nearly blinded by the light that had begun to shine, people looked up in bewilderment and awe. Nice pictures. Hand-drawn, maybe? The Great One spoke. Children of this realm, who know whom it is your saviors and forever thank us as law. For if you do, the light will forever remain. If not, then that shine will be destroyed. And thus was Age of Light, with the entirety of the prior existence to be known as the Age of the Void. Silence. What a load of crap. Chapter 1. Staff and Ruin. Okay. Use arrow keys to move. Z and X to interact. Hold shift to sprint. F1 will open up the options menu. I wonder if escape does that. It does. So what does F1 do? Oh. Yeah. Okay, so the game has officially begun here. Very impressive already for something that hasn't been worked on, or that's only in its early development stage. The intro had pretty nice pictures. I think they are hand drawn, and I don't really understand the story yet, but I think we're gonna find out more as we play. Statue of someone important in the past. Kyo, I can't make out any names. Let's go back to the menu and see. Also really nice menu. I recognize the script which is being used here. It's nothing wrong with that. It's a good script, and also the colors have been changed and whatnot, so very nice. So our hero here is Kyo. Looks like he's pretty much good at everything. Attack, defense, magic and so on, so he's a generalist type of character wearing a heavy coat and memento ring. And of course we don't have anything else to put on him yet. We don't have a save option here, so probably there are some places we can save in here. A broken statue, only the plinth remains, okay. Statue of someone from the Void era. The outfit seems similar to what the deities wore. Okay. So we're in some kind of a broken temple here. I wonder if this is an actual person that existed in this world or not. The atmosphere is pretty nice here. It's pretty nice, I like it. Wait a second, she looks like someone I know. Other than that, nothing special here. Very, looks just like the other statues. Very vague beginning in the sense that we have no idea what to do here. And we don't know anything about our main character. So we're just sort of thrown into this exploration. Can go that way. Which is actually, it often, I think it works quite often, so. A corpse of a soldier from an age long past. The armor seems advanced for the age. Okay. The corpse of a soldier from an age long past. I wonder what killed these men. Maybe that purple ball here. I'm sort of scared to touch it since I haven't saved, but let's see. A small rift in the world. Touch it. Not yet. If I were in need, I could return here and fully restore myself. If I were to fall. Well, maybe my past self will be more careful next time around. What? Is it a save point? It's probably a save point. Or something else? Touching it has imprinted some memories. Health and energy has been restored as well. Seems like they were on their last breaths. I wonder how many of these are in this world. Record your memories. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so it is the save option. If I were to... Okay. Okay, interesting how this whole idea of returning to the past is implemented in this game. 100 moolah, so I guess moolah is the money we're gonna use. Pretty nice, the whole save function thing, I guess. Nothing interesting behind the statue, just an old stool under the table. I like how you can observe and interact with objects. This is a bit weird though, this door over here. The wall, it's sort of not in sync with the other walls here. I don't know. I think there should be... Yeah, the wall is a bit different there, which is strange. There's something here. A coil of rope. Take it. Grab the coil of rope. This rope is still usable actually. Not sure what I can do with this right now. Maybe it'll come in handy later. Looks like there is something behind the ruined statue. Take a look? Yes, let's take a look. Yeah, well, we can see that, obviously. There is not enough room to move behind the statue, and it is too heavy to move with just one person. If it is just to move the statue, I could probably do this. No one is around. This magic might take a little more than I can spare right now. Should I still proceed with this? Yes. This wouldn't be the first time. No one is around. I should be fine. Let's see what's... That sounds a bit scary. Someone was growling in the shadows. Definitely taking a while. Damn, takes out a lot doing that with my current body. So we're like not in our body, or luckily I have an energy drink on me. Alternatively, I can head back to that rift and harness some of its infinite energy. Well, let's just see what's through this passage. So are we out of... Yes, we are out of energy, so we're actually gonna go back to the rift here. It's not that far away anyway. Yes. And, well, I suppose we can record our memories again. Okay, let's go in here. There was the other door as well, but I want to see what's in here. A crude lockpick. Looks like something I can use for that gate. Oh, it's locked. I probably should have investigated examined this gate before. Okay. Come on, you. The lockpick has broken. Oh, crap. I need more practice. Ah, well, at least I got this open. Oh, okay. I still think the door looks really weird. Nature is reclaiming this area. I'm going to have to jump across. Interact with an open space you think you can jump across. If it is successful, you will automatically make the jump. In this segment, arrows have been placed to give yourself an idea where jumping would occur. For the most part, characters can assume to jump across 1 square and 2 square gaps. Okay, so there's a jumping system here. That's kind of interesting. It might be a bit troublesome when we don't have those arrows, because then we might miss a lot of stuff just because we don't know where to jump and whatnot. Okay. Still, at least as long as there are these arrows, it looks pretty nice. This place is pretty well mapped, I would say. Looks kind of nice. The only exception being that gate we went through, because that was a bit weird, I would think. Otherwise, though, it looks very good. It's a rock. I don't think I want to jump into a wall. Let's jump over here and here. This place looks a little more stable compared to the other areas. Now could be a good time to write in my journal. Kyo is now willing to use his 10 vials of enchanted ink. You can open up the main menu and save directly through Kyo's journal. Oh, okay. Okay, so we can save on the fly, but we're gonna need the ink for that. So we have unlimited saves through the rifts, but if we want to save otherwise, we're gonna have to use some ink. That is kinda clever. Yes. Yes, and he's commenting on everything, which I respect a lot. Okay, let's see where we can go here. Okay, yeah, we don't want to go and see those skeletons over there. What about this one? A corpse of a soldier from an age-long past. The skeleton seems to be holding something. Take a closer look. Yes, a small locket. You must have been thinking about the ones you loved. A little grammar mistake. It should be you must have been. So, yep. Without even a moment's notice, a small shiny object falls from one of the skeleton's pockets. Obtained a crude lockpick. A signet of adrenaline. So we have another lockpick here. Maybe it's... okay, it's for this. I might need it later. Use a lockpick to open the chest. Yeah. It's actually a pretty good question. Do we want to do that? I think we are going to take the risk. I'm pretty sure I'll find another one later. Let's see what's inside. Random junk. Yeah, we'll see if we made the right choice or the wrong choice. I think we made the wrong choice here. So where do we go next? What places have I missed here? There's nothing more here. I have standards on what I take and use. Unfortunately, others don't have the same restraint as I do. I hope you rest well. Stool. We have to go back then. Yeah, all the way here. Oh yeah, there was the door here. Oh, that was kind of weird. How we can actually walk into the door before it opens. Okay, there's something here. I know this feeling. Something is coming. Yes, we're gonna have to fight, aren't we? Won't we? Yeah. There. Slimes? Really? Okay. Ghoul emerged. Oh, ghoul. Are these things ghouls? Why are they dripping with ectoplasm? I wonder if something caused them to be stuck between the material realm and the spiritual realm. I can sense their souls have been twisted by existing in a state like this for centuries. It's kill or be killed, though these ghouls have long since been dead. They don't belong in this realm. Their ectoplasm should be useful later on in the future. Would you like to have a combat tutorial? This will automatically win the battle. Like, I think I could manage without one, but Let's go for the tutorial. Yeah. Adrenaline, okay. That's probably TP, I guess. Name, yes, yes. Very nice tutorial, by the way. Hit point, yes, I know. Energy, yes. Okay, yeah, so it's in real-time action battle system or something like that. Combat actions will be basic attack, adrenaline burst skill, so a TP skill, energy skills, yes, defend, items, yes, very basic, attempt to flee from battle, yeah. Let's move on to more specifics. Okay, however, that might have done something. Hit or miss. In this tutorial, the Gal is always hexed for the sake of display. Traditionally, upon a hit, Kyo's current staff has an ability that will allow him to hex foes occasionally upon a regular attack. The hex condition causes damage over time and will decrease an opponent's magical defense. Over time, Kyo will gain access to other conditions he can inflict on enemies. Okay. Yes, we know that. Yes, adrenaline. Okay. Yes, very clear. Okay. This is a really in-depth tutorial, which is really good for those who don't know how the battles work. And I mean, this battle system is a bit different than usually. But at the same time, it's even a little bit too basic, but I guess it's good that it's basic here. I'll just finish you guys off. Okay, we cast Doomfire. Whoa. Whoa there. Whoa, Kyo. Well. That was a pretty slick move there. So creatures are crawling around here. I should drink a potion when I need to. Okay. Now, I sincerely hope there are no random encounters here. Repeat game, I hope you don't have any random encounters here. Because that would suck. Nothing useful or interesting inside. 5 sips of goo. Okay, so we don't drink it as it is. Okay. Okay, so there's a crafting system as well. There's a lot of stuff here already. And we have another lockpick. Okay. Alright, so we can actually craft. Okay. Pretty nice, pretty nice. A lot of crafting system stuff. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Let's jump over here. We can examine the logs and stuff. Okay, let's go right. Because as an important person once said, obtain the sun tablet. The sun tablet. This is a church artifact. Looks like they made it back as well. Oh wow, okay. Luckily it's not random encounters though. I respect that a lot. Let's see. Burst, abilities, flare wisp. Let's do this. Okay, that was super effective here. Let's see how fast we can kill it by just attacking it. The battle system is quite nice. Nothing spectacular or like it's not that different from the usual battle system, but it's nicely customized and it definitely looks good, so nothing to complain about that. Okay, yeah, the magic is very much more powerful. Junk A, we could sell this Q. Okay, that's a bit strange. Okay, we beat them. They weren't even that hard. There's a long corridor here. Use a lockpick. A twist here, turn here. Okay. Oh, it didn't break. That's good. The lockpick suddenly crumbles to dust and is blown away by the wind. Oh. Alright. So it's still one-time use. Oh, where are we now? Should we be here? That was a long and tedious corridor. Maybe we should have gone the other way. Now where the hell am I? Damn it, I wish I met with the client. Client, what are we even doing here? You seem to know Kyo, but I don't. Let's go here. Okay, okay, a rift. That's amazing. Yes, please. What? Oh. Oh. I sense plot. It's a bit weird how those guards just like disappeared in midair. What? Some type of conflict, it seems. Record your memories. Yes, please. And in a different save slot. What the heck? Like, they just disappeared. Can we go after them? Okay. Oh, we got an idea? It's been sealed by some black magic. I'll have to find the source somewhere. I'm tempted to go back the way we came just to see what. Yeah, we're gonna do that. This is truly a maze. It's a pretty good looking maze though, so still though the gate, the fact that we can go under. Yeah. It makes sense, but it's a bit weird. Let's see what we can find here before we move anywhere else. Oh no, more. Oh, okay. The chest is locked. Oh crap. What? No. This game is sort of unpredictable. I don't know where we can actually find stuff. It's good because it makes you have to explore and so on. Okay, back to the task at hand here. We need to find the source of the magic that seals the door. What's in here? Sun tablet, okay. There's also a necklace here. Why are you here? The necklace fades to nothingness, a spirit. Why are you here? I'm here to discover lost history. Don't touch me. Go away. I haven't moved an inch, miss. I am not here to hurt you. Liar. Stay away. She might be a residual haunting. A type of ghost that is just a recorded psychic memory. So are we supposed to? Please, move aside. Stay away. Don't touch me. Okay, we're forced to battle it anyway. Weeping ghost. Hey, look, I don't want to hurt you. Your body has left this world long ago. Liar. Liar, 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 liar. Okay. Damn, I thought she was a residual ghost. No, she's something different. She might become a banshee at this rate. Luckily, her attacks are spiritual, so it doesn't affect me as much as it would others. I need to try and put her to rest. By, of course, killing her. So let's do it. Let's do this. Oh, that was easy. That looks like it might be useful. I've seen something like this before. I hope I was able to put her to rest. That wasn't even difficult. That was easier than I expected, considering it looked like a boss battle. More branching paths. A lot to explore here. Okay, is this locked? I need to get a lockpick. Okay. Oh yeah, we broke the one lockpick we got. Interesting chest system though, the lockpick thing. You can open any chest, I guess, but you need lockpicks for that, so... This probably would have looked nice if it were still intact. It still looks nice. Okay. Where are we going? Have we been here before? No. The skeleton of someone that has long since passed. Some 3 empty flasks. Alright. They're probably used for crafting. 4 empty flasks and a vial of enchanted something. Every place has to have crates. Yes. Because it's an RPG. A hatch of some sort. Open it? Yeah, no. It looks a bit weird. It's like a piece of bridge. I think something else would work better for it. Oh! That's interesting. Well, luckily there are no match to Flare Wisp, so... And Flare Wisp isn't that expensive to cast, so... That caught me off guard. Yeah, it certainly did, but we didn't, like... We were barely scathed by that, so... So no biggie. No big deal. Oh, so many branching paths. We used to love pottery class. A broken rotting barrel. There is some fungi growing on the inside. Okay. How nice. Rotting stuff. Everything is rotting, including these people, I guess. We get sun tablets. Oh, I didn't read that. I probably should have. Boneling. They look sort of funny. Okay, and they don't actually instantly die to Flare Wisp. What about 2 Flare Wisps? Oh, they're even tougher than the girl we fought. What about the 3rd Flare Wisp? Okay, that does it. We just have to spam powerful attacks and it's over. I assume. Yo, that went down in 2. So far the battles have been really easy, which is fine. It's good that you don't. It's good that you don't have to do really difficult battles this early on. Although I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind difficult battles if the rewards were great, but still. What I'm doing now is return to the rift, because there was the rift here. I want to heal. And I want to save. Yes, please. Let's record memories. Where did we go? This way? I think. I got lost already. Oh, come on, me. Oh, yeah, this is the right place. Okay. There was the hatch. Here, it looks like a bridge piece. We're gonna open it and there we go. Something is not right down there. I best be prepared. Use the call of rope. Yes. The air is getting colder around me. A spirit is probably lingering nearby and absorbing energy in the nearby area. I've always hated this feeling. I hope I'm ready for whatever comes. Okay. Some ancient wine bottles. These would probably taste great. The bottles refuse to budge from the floor. Okay. This place is really interesting. Now that I look at the time though, it might be best. Never mind. We're not gonna go and save. We're gonna continue for a little while longer. I once heard a story about a teacher or something that was trapped under a cabinet full of knives. It wasn't until the ghost was appeased that she was allowed to leave. I'm starting to get annoyed. Let's move this a little. Okay. Just the pointer, there was no animation for this pot moving, but there could have been. It's pretty easy to implement, so I think it would look nicer if it happened like that. Okay, okay. This is definitely a creepy place. Ghast fire. So the spirit residing here harnessed enough energy to pull off that trick. I should be careful. Okay. creepy stuff here. A set of ropes lies ominously on the ground. Poke them. Yes. Come on out, you. I know you're hiding there here. Yeah, I knew it was the boss. Who are you? A traveler would probably be the best title for me right now. Why have you come? Simple, to ask you to open that gate. I know you got something to do with it. No. Even if I ask nicely? I said no. Alright, so what can I do for you then? Your death and suffering. Your people came. Your people took. Have you no shame? Everything we all have discovered. You will not take our world. He's stuck on repeat from his past life. You're very bland and cliché, you know that? Let's get this over with. 3 flares should deal with you. Let's see if indeed that is enough. Flare ways. One of those. Okay, that was actually pretty powerful. Yeah, it's definitely a powerful opponent, but it's gone. When are they going to learn? Huh, that makes a little more sense. What makes more sense? That we leveled up? You cannot escape death. I, of all people, know that already. The air has become a lot lighter. I wonder how this place got this stale. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do about it. Either way, that gate should be unlocked now. That's good, because we definitely want to go there. Tools I can use for a lockpick. For lockpicking, okay. That was really interesting. Climb the rope. Back up. Yes. Fabulous. Okay, let's go over here. The gate is gonna be open. What direction? This direction, right? Yep. Quite an interesting maze here. This jumping thing is pretty neat as well. Yep. But for now, we're just gonna save to file 2. And next time, we're gonna go through that gate and see what's in there. So far so good. This game is definitely a lot better than I expected after hearing that it's simply in its like first developmental stages, and I was expecting a lot of glitches and stuff like that. But it's actually turning out to be pretty nice. I love the sort of the aura of mystery here, and the atmosphere is pretty well executed. Custom battle system, nice menu screen. It's looking pretty good so far. So yeah, I have my thumbs up for this game so far. But yeah. Anyway, see you next time.